tapi sekarang minta ke Dikti untuk
Good afternoon, everybody.
progresi.
I'm sorry to waiting my PPT. I don't know to forget to send here. Thank you. I am have to opportunity to stand here. Thank you for the Orkana. Thank you for the SGT University. Thank you for the committee, lecturer, and all of students. Thank you. I want to talk about integration extract and exercise therapy for osteoarthritis of knee. I think it's good because we combine herb and exercise therapy, and then we can use another style, another therapy like Twina. Do you know Twina? Twina? Do you know Twina? Twina like chiropractor. You know chiropractor. Yes. We can use to acupuncture, but acupoint. Maybe in here, trying to drink like as a point. Acupoint is meridian. We can use the combination and leech therapy. You know leech Fildo? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We know that the cure to QOR, it's 55 and above, and decrease ability of tissue to repair themselves, and then decrease organ function, and then decrease bone activity, mobility, and movement. We know that disease is elderly brain disorder, a common health issue, and then other are vulnerable to various health problems related to the joint. We can do joint pain strategy is a relaxation technique like deep breathing, like before we look to BAP and yoga. We can do dopamine, serotonin, endorphin to release pain, and then traditional therapy like acupuncture and Twina, pharmacology therapy with pain relief is medicine, and herbal therapy such as electritis. Electritis, I make the formula and I use the patient's good to help to heal. I have the patient, Mrs. Azet, 69 years old, in Durisawit, in Jakarta. We intervention with electritis and exercise therapy to reduction of lower estimated joint pain in lateral knee OR. You know, the osteoarthritis is degenerative and chronic disorder of the knee joint to damage the cartilage, hyaline and generally musculoskeletal disorder, and affect to over age 55 years old above. Knee osteoarthritis affect the ability to sit in chair, stand, walk, and climb the stair. Osteoarthritis is usually characterized by symptoms of pain and disability. We know the level is important to heal the QOR. The level 1 is loss of proteogen, cause decrease water content, leaving the joint susceptible and volume in their capacity to endure mechanical stress, loss of spring function, like press, press is a function loss. The level 2 presence of cartilage degradation product will be pathocyte by macrophage. You know, the inflammation have the macrophage, and then the macrophage respond and can to be vaccine against species. We know the ROS. So we need to antioxidant. The level 3 pro-inflammatory factor cell secrete protein enzyme to cytokine, and that exit the catabolic process and extrable inflammation rebel damage joint cartilage. I said before, this is ROS in up in and down. This is anatomy. Maybe we test. You know that. Yeah. This is normally. This normally. This is no. And we know the grades OA, if the grade 1, we know we don't look anything. And then grade 2 have to osteopit, but the gap is normal, but grade 2 and grade 2 gap is near. And then grade 4 lock, because the cartilage limits and joint limits. We know the etiology of the KOA is the primarily is idiopathic, and then the second cause by post-traumatic congenital malformation like varus and pagus, metabolic disorder, endocrine disorder, and aseptic osteonecrosis. We can to trigger factor like age, obesity, gender female 55 years above. Why the female? Because the female have estrogen, and then if the estrogen loss, the fluid is decreased and lost. Physical activity and work activity, other joint disorder like rheumatoid arthritis, gout. Manifestation is KOA is painful arise when starting to perform movement that use knee, pain during movement, the comfort manifestation during nights, loss of body function, presence of stiffness, limited range of movement, experience weakness in performing activity. Other sign and symptom, the existence of crepitation like a sound, increase the sensitivity to cold and or humidity. In the cold, we can use to leech, because leech blood coagulation to circulation, and then blood bring thermal. You know the range of motion to test flexi extension, endorotation, externalization, back size test for the effusion to join effusion. And then we know to the test, special test to KOA. And then Paterka test, you know, to accumulate inside, have the fluid in patella, yeah. And fluctuation assessment to assess fluid, we can to press, and we know to have the fluid in joint capacity. We use comfort to inflammation, usually herbal use, rice, and TENS and ultrasound. Reduce joint stiffness, passive active isometric exercise therapy. Traction, we use to traction if the gap is near, we traction. For blood circulation, we used to soak in warm water like ginger, lemongrass, kencur, or cloves. Put with cinnamon powder, leech therapy, or irradiotherapy. We can the management nerve pain like Trina Cengku, yeah, chiropractor atau manual or manual manipulation. Acupuncture technique, acupoint and acupoint. We call the acupoint like bridal ring. Weight reduction in person with obesity, yeah, this must be do, because the weight can press the knee. This is a manual manipulation like a Trina Cengku. We stretching before we do it to Trina. After we stretching, we can do it to Trina, like the picture. And then we can use the exercise therapy like hillside, front hand, SLR, coordination set, wall squat, step up. We use herbal. The herbal is we use the formula, have five formula like sidaguri. Sidaguri can the Latin is Cinda rhombofolia. Contain flavonoid, saponin, tannin. It benefit to decrease edema. Edema, we know to process to inflammation. And we have to Sigium polytum leaf, we call commonly known as bi-leaf. Have tannin, flavonoid, alkaloid, and essential oil to active anti-inflammatory by inhibition transcription factor such as an FTB is a protein for inflammation. And then turmeric, you know turmeric is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. We know that before the KOA have ROS, we used to turmeric to antioxidant. ROS, reaksi oksigen spesial, is a radical bebas because the electron not together, and then we use to antioxidant. Panicolium vulgare meal fruit extra, commonly known phenol. This is can significant reduce lipid peroxidant. We know the case. This is AZ, female, and then occupation housewife, hobbies is culinary and traveling. He cheats first Saturday, March 30, 2024. Medical diagnosis negative, medical metosa negative. The anamnesis, primary complaint pain in both knee. Accompanying referral stiffness in both knee when walking up in the morning. You know the KOA in the morning. According to the medical history, the patient experienced pain in both knees. The left knee hurt more than the right knee when doing prayer activity, standing for a long time, such as during cooking, walking long distance, squatting and going up and going down stairs. The pain reduced by rest. This complement has been present since patient gained weight approximately 5 months ago and gets worse in cold weather. The patient has not sought medical attention or physiotherapy for pain in both knees. Post-medical history negative. The patient is compos mentis, blood pressure 140 per 90, pulse rate 85, breathing 20, cooperative is cooperative, weight 60, height 130 centimeter, so we have to be BMI is obesitas class 2.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening presentation and for your invaluable contributions to herbal-based rehabilitation and functional recovery. Moving forward, we are honored to welcome Dr.